Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today we have an extra special unboxing video. We have a lovely little pencil, and if you've been following me on the social media, you will know what is in here. So this is a parcel from Indigo Rosee, and this is the two new Lash books that she has brought out. And oh, there it all is. Oh my god. So you have our little card, which has all of the little details of Indigo Rosee. We have my invoice, which is obviously important to me because I need to know what I'm spending. Oh my god, they're actually really big. Holy crap, like, look at that. So we have the neutral edit and we have the glam edit. Two identical boxes, really like nicely made. Real awesome quality on the boxes, and of course our lovely little purple fluff. We love the purple fluff. So I'm gonna start off with the neutral edit. So I've actually was lucky enough to see these before anyone else got to, which is really cool, and I was super excited to get to see them. But this is my first time seeing them in person, so oh my god. Smile more, act confident, stress less, stop worrying, be productive, look gorgeous, just be you. I love that. So we have the three lashes in the neutral edit. Forgot what this one was called then. Sorry. So we have Sugar, we have Bonnie, and we have the new pair, which is Emerald. I love those because they're like a subtle version of both of those almost. It's like, I don't know, it's less like volume. Well, it's still volume, but like they look thinner and like less dramatic almost. So really good for like, I'd say everyday kind of wear. Are they all individuals? Okay, so they all individually do come out, so you can kind of just like pick them out, which is awesome because it actually helps quite a lot. But I've already got Sugar and Bonnie, which you can see in a previous video of mine unboxing all of the amazing lashes that Indigo Rosee do. But I will be trying on Emerald shortly, so if you want to see how they look on, then stay tuned. So that is the neutral edit, and here is the glam edit, which is like a lot more intense. Oh, beautiful, absolutely beautiful, look at those. So we have the same quote up top. We have the lashes Confidence, Queen, and the new lashes Empower. And again, oh my god, these are like intense, and I love those. Ooh. So again, I've already got Queen and Confidence. Those are already in my little lash area. I just can't believe like how nice these all are. I just love these lashes, like they literally are so like easy to apply, and not just that, but like when you put them on, you can barely tell sometimes, like they just blend really like nicely with your actual lashes. Yeah, these are amazing. I mean, Empower just looks wild, and I love that. Like, I'll give like proper looks at all of these in the video, so you will be able to see up close and personal just what they look like, because these are honestly amazing. So initial thoughts on both of these I was gonna call them lookbooks then, lash books. I really like these. I think, you know, it's a really cool and fun way of getting yourself some different lashes. They are £15 each. So normally they retail at £6 per lash. Not per lash, but like per pair of lashes. So for 3 pairs, that's £1 off of every single pair of lashes, and you get the new pair, which is not available anywhere else. So is it worth it? Yeah. I mean, £6 is already like a huge and massive deal for like getting lashes. Like £6 is pretty good for like really good lashes, and 15 for 3 pairs each. Yes, God. Honestly, and these are so cute. Like, they're just so adorable. And like, I mean, I didn't expect them to be as big as this, but like, I guess you never really know what you're gonna get. But yeah, I love these. Tori, well done. I'm so proud of you, girl. I mean, your lashes are always amazing, and I cannot wait to see what you do in the future. And yeah, I'm just really happy to have these. So here we have Emerald, I believe. I am correct, it is Emerald. So these are from the Neutral edit. I love these. I mean, I feel like I've applied one of them slightly a bit off, but that's just me. I was rushing. And I literally have nothing other than eyelashes on, so apologies if I look insane, but I love these. These feel incredible. These are like a new kind of everyday sexy look, do you know what I mean? So I feel like my eyelashes are connecting. But like really sultry and like, ooh, want to be on my party? Yes, God, work. And now we have Empower. Oh my God, these are mad. I definitely feel like a really powerful person with these on, like, ooh. Like, they're dramatic, but in like a really cool way that you can pull it off. How cool is that? Like, I love them. And again, they're just so easy to apply. It makes me so sad every time. But like, these are phenomenal. I think these are gonna be a new favorite of mine, potentially. Yeah, so I think both of these new ones are going to be probably used quite often, actually. I really like it. So yeah, that is the Empower from the Glam edit. They're very glamorous, very gorgeous, very stunning, very, I love them. What do you guys think? Huh? But anyway, you guys, so that is the new lashes from Indigo Rosee. What did you guys think? Are you gonna get one of the lash books? Are you gonna get both? Because they're a really good deal, and you know, helping out a good friend of mine, Tori, you know, worth it. Honestly though, if you are into the makeup world, a pair of lashes is always, you know, it changes your life. Once you start, you kind of can't stop, and like, these lashes are to die for. When I get buried, please bury me in my lashes. Like, that's all I'm gonna say. But anyway, I think we're gonna leave it there. Overall thoughts are that these lashes are absolutely to die for. I'm living. Oh my god. I just can't get over them. Like, they are actually so gorgeous, so stunning, so well made, and I'm so proud of my good friend Tori. And please, please, please go down below, and you can check out in the description just where you can get these lash books from. I will be providing both links to both lash books, so make sure that you are checking that out so you can get your hands on these bad boys. And anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.